Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your size settings on Amazon. This is a super handy feature that helps Amazon show you products in your specific size, making your shopping experience much smoother and saving you time from constantly filtering through sizes that don't fit you. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account to access your account settings page. Now you'll need to scroll down through your account page until you locate the section called Your Shopping Preferences. This is where Amazon stores all your personalized settings to make your shopping experience more tailored to you. Click on your shopping preferences to open up these options. Once you're in this section, you'll see two options presented to you, women's and men's. Choose the one that corresponds to your preference. This selection helps Amazon categorize the sizes correctly for the type of products you're interested in. After selecting your preferred category, look for the option labeled Shoes and click on it. Then you'll see an Add button. Go ahead and click that. This action opens up a menu where you can specify your exact shoe size preferences, ensuring that future shoe recommendations and search results match what you're actually looking for. You'll now see a list of preset shoe sizes. Browse through these options and select the size that fits you best. This is important because it tells Amazon exactly what size to prioritize when showing you shoe products. Right after selecting your size, you'll also need to choose your shoe width. Amazon typically offers options like standard or wide. Pick the width that's most comfortable for you, as this further refines the accuracy of product recommendations. Finally, once you've made your selections, click the Save button to confirm all your changes. This ensures that Amazon stores your size preferences and uses them whenever you're browsing or searching for shoes on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your size settings on Amazon, making your future shopping much more efficient and personalized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.